CAD components are built to be rebuilt. It allows us to put them back to that factory spec and lower the cost of buying a new machine or a new component. The benefits of a centralized CRC is quality control, maintaining contamination in the rebuild process, keeping everything clean, and then specialization in the components themselves. To maintain quality, we have 2 lead men in place. Anytime there's someone to tear down, there's a lead man back there. Same thing with in the rebuild area or even in the test bench. This is our new test bench. We got it a little over a year ago. The old one was all analog. This one's completely digital. We can get printouts of the data we collect as we test. And we can also, now what we couldn't do in the past is add a load. We can add a load to the components as we test them to imitate what they would see in the machine. From the flywheel back, we work on transmissions, torque converters, final drives, differentials, entire axles, steering clutches. When a component comes in, it could be anything, anywhere from a general repair, as in tearing it down to that point, or it could be going all the way through the component, checking everything out, making sure everything's fine, then put it back together and get it back to the customer. Efficiency is important because a lot of times customers' machines may be down, so we try to focus on getting the components in and out as fast as we can. The technicians that work here do our best to work together and take pride in what we do to get the best components out to our customers.